Imagine this, 9 out of 10 professionals around the globe agree. English proficiency is a must-have skill in today's interconnected world. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, if you're wondering how to acquire this indispensable skill, don't fret. We have just the solution for you. The General English CEFR level course from Netcom Systems is here to guide you on this linguistic journey. Now, what makes this course stand out? First off, there's the aptitude test. This isn't your run-of-the-mill assessment. It's a comprehensive test that measures your English proficiency from the get-go. Then, once the course wraps up, you'll take the test again, providing a clear picture of your progress. It's like a before and after snapshot of your English skills. But wait, there's more. When you enroll in the General English CEFR level course, you'll get your very own online training account. This isn't just any account. It's your personal hub for learning. It's where you'll access the course materials, participate in interactive exercises, and track your progress. It's a one-stop shop for your learning needs. Now, imagine having the luxury of face-to-face study. Picture yourself in a virtual classroom, interacting with instructors known for their expertise and passion for teaching. That's what you get with this course. It's a golden opportunity to practice your English skills in real time, ask questions, and get instant feedback. And of course, we can't forget about the 24/7 customer support. Whether you have a question about the course content or need technical assistance, there's always someone ready to help. It's like having your personal assistant at your beck and call, day or night. And last, but certainly not least, you'll receive a plethora of ebooks. These aren't just any books. They're comprehensive guides filled with practical tips and tricks to help you master the English language. They're your secret weapon to becoming a proficient English speaker. So there you have it. The General English CEFR level course from Netcom Systems is more than just a course. It's a complete package designed to help you become a confident and proficient English speaker. Now, it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Seize this opportunity. Enroll in the General English CEFR level course today and embark on a journey of language proficiency that opens doors to a world of opportunities. It's time to invest in yourself. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today.